I'd like to discuss with you some information you may need to know about pressure ulcers. My name is James Kapralos. I'm an attorney at Parker Waichman who litigates nursing home abuse and neglect cases. What is a pressure ulcer? A pressure ulcer is skin breakdown caused by pressure. There are various parts of the body that are more susceptible to developing a pressure ulcer. These are the pressure spots. When lying down on your back, there are certain areas that are more susceptible to pressure, such as your heel area, your buttock area, your back, your sacral area, your coccyx, your shoulders. When lying on your side, the side of your foot, different parts of your foot, the side of your knee, hips, ear. There are many different parts of your body that are more susceptible to pressure ulcers due to pressure. A pressure ulcer is caused by pressure. When there's pressure, there's less blood flow. Stages of pressure ulcers determine how severe the pressure ulcers are. Stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 being the least severe, stage 4 being the most severe. There are also necrotic pressure ulcers, which are considered unstageable because you can't tell how deep they are. These are also very severe pressure ulcers, as are all pressure ulcers. Every single pressure ulcer should be treated immediately. There are certain risk factors for developing pressure ulcers. One of them is immobility. When someone is immobile, they are unable to turn and position themselves. When they are unable to turn and position themselves, they are lying down on those pressure spots for a longer period of time, restricting the blood flow. When the blood flow is restricted, there is more of a chance of skin breakdown and pressure ulcers developing. Another risk factor is if a resident, or if a nursing home resident, or if a person is incontinent. Incontinence causes pressure ulcers because when someone soils themselves, if they are not cleaned right away, that can promote more skin and faster skin breakdown. Also, nutritional status. If someone's malnourished, dehydrated, that can also make someone more susceptible to develop pressure ulcers. There is much more I'd like to speak with you about pressure ulcers and the risk factors and how to prevent them. If you're watching this video, you may have questions. Pick up the phone and call me at the number below. I'm James Kapralos, an attorney at Parker Waichman.